What's good, y'all? It's HB Punch and Profit. Let's go over some of the trades we could have taken today in the NASDAQ as it is December 16th, 2024. Have to be careful because markets are going to get a little bit tricky in the next 2 weeks or less than that, right? But let's go over it. So, higher time frame, very bullish. We get this little pullback down and we create this inversion roughly in this orange box. We get an advanced market structure shift at the blue line. Okay, that's going to be my entry. Put our stop at the most recent swing low, and we go for at least a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 risk to reward. You can manage your risk anyhow you like. It's at your discretion. You can make your stop a little bit tighter. Maybe you keep it a certain amount of points. Maybe you keep it maybe a space below the where the inversion occurs, right? It's however you want to shake it, man. But there you go. It was a nice trade. Took little to no drawdown. We move up, and oh, by the way, time and price. This happens around 8:20 to 8:40. Okay, so that is the 8:20 to 8:40 macro. Then we have, I believe, what 10:20 to 10:40 macro happens perfectly. We get another pullback, high time frame bullish, get an inversion, get an advanced market structure shift. We enter at the advanced market structure shift. If you are really confident in your higher time frame analysis and you believe it is bullish, you can enter in as soon as you close over the bearish fair value gap, which would have essentially pretty much been the same as the advanced market structure shift. Sometimes it's different, but nice 2-to-1 right here, a little bit more. Stop at the low. This is a pretty big stop. So what you can do is either lower your leverage if you're going to have that type of stop, or what you can do is you can keep a tighter stop loss. You can keep it, like I said, gap below the inversion, or maybe you have a tighter stop. Maybe you just go for something like five points, right, or 10 points, however you want to do it. But it was a nice trade that played out. Okay, this would have been a 1-to-1, but in this case, you probably wanted to keep a tighter stop, like a gap below the inversion. But we do have I believe it's the 1050 macro to 910, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, I think I got an indicator. Yeah, 1050 to 1110. I don't see anything I'm liking here. I mean, you did get an inversion, it looks like, because you have a volume imbalance here. I don't know if I'm willing to take that trade at this point. If you get a already had the pullback at the advanced market structure shift, yes, still very bullish. So this might be an excellent setup right here. And let's see. I mean, you can either aim for low hanging fruit right here. Let's set that up real quick. So right here, it is the not 10, I believe the 1050 macro to 1110 macro. Looks like you get an inversion right here. Okay, you can put your stop at the low, and then you get your advanced market structure here. And since we've been pushing up, either you can aim for this high right here, which it looks like it's gonna hit fairly easy. You put your limit order here, you've been tapped in. Let's see how bad the drawdown would have been. You have only taken less than 5 points of drawdown, and now you're pushing for this high. So boom, there is your 1050 to 1110 macro, and it's going even higher. See if it can even get to like 50 points. I don't know if I'd aim for that. You're making, I believe these are all-time new highs. In this case, I would have aimed for this high right here if I took this trade. So there was another trade right there for you. Boom. Long position, stop at the low. Pretty much a 1-to-1, which would have been great. Okay, nice little target right there. Nice little scalp. So beautiful price action, very clean, very smooth, low resistance, and this might even push up further. But I'm done for the day. I made a good amount of money. Like I said, if you want to see the live trade execution of this one right here, you can go in the description below and click on the link. This is HB Punch and Profit. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe. Peace. God bless.